Hi students, if cash versus accrual accounting still confuses you, it'll fix it for it. Cash accounting basically records income or expenses when either money is received or expenses have been paid, no matter which period it belongs to. Small businesses, freelancers, they prefer this accounting concept because this is simple. When they are receiving money, they're recording it as income, and when they are paying, they're recording it as expense for simplicity's sake. Accrual accounting, on the other hand, is basically that concept in which income is recorded or expense are recorded when they are earned or incurred, no matter when cash is received or paid. That means even without any cash movement, income or expense will be recorded. For example, a company has earned revenue for March in April. I mean, the work was done in March, but the money has been received in April. If we are using cash basis, then this will be recorded as income in April. But accrual basis will record this income in March itself because the service was delivered in March. I hope you have got the difference. Do like, subscribe, follow. Bye.